In this video, I'll be talking about how to set background image in any screen, in any application, so that you can put your elements, your text field, your buttons over that image. Previously, when I was using these things setting background images, I used to take stack, but there is another option. The right way, you can use a container, and with the help of this container you can easily get that. So without any delay, let's get started. So for now, first of all, I'm taking here container, and inside this decoration property I'm setting image like this box decoration, and then image decoration, and taking here box fit fill so that the it will fit the height and width of the screen. Then inside this image property, right now I'm using asset image asset image, that is why I'm using here. If you want to use any network image, then you can use your network image and the path of the image. So this is the thing. Let me run this. Now I will do some more coding to show you something over this image. So I'm creating here inside this scaffold. Then this is the container, and then as a child I'm taking here scaffold, and then I have taken the color of the scaffold is transparent, and then inside the body of the scaffold I am creating another container which is of height, okay, height width of 100, and color would be green. So let me save this. Now it is over this image. Let me make this in center. Now as you can see it, our green color container is coming over this background image without scaffold. So this is the best way to achieve that. And for applying some color gradient, because this image is light and your text objects will not be able to clearly visible, you can also apply gradients. So for that you need to wrap this scaffold inside a container, and again you will have to take box decoration this time again, and instead of image need to use gradient, linear gradient, and instead of image I will start begin and end of the gradient, and this is the color. Basically it has an array of color. There will be more than one color. I'm setting begin gradient from center, and my gradient will end from bottom center, and the color that I am giving here is black of 12 and black of 87. Let me run this. So as you can see that there is the black gradient which is starting from center and ending from bottom center, and color is starting as black 12 and ending as black 87. You can also change it from here, like top center to bottom center. Now here the gradient has changed, so you can achieve the gradient color over the background image that you have set with the help of this. And this is the container that I have taken from here. You can also use button, like let me wrap this inside column. Now this is my column, and again this time I'm taking elevated button, elevated button. Press property, let me use text here, kind of elevated button. Let me align this. We'll save. Now, as you can see here that the button is coming after this container. Again, we have to use the property container main axis alignment center. Yes, so this is my container, this is button, and according to your UI you can use text field, button, whatever you want you can take. So that's it for this video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Thanks for now.